I used to look at my bank account after paying rent and bills and see like 20 bucks left, and I'd think, what's the point? How is this tiny amount of money ever going to change my life? So I'd just spend it. But I was dead wrong, and today, I'm going to show you the incredibly simple $5 strategy that proved me wrong and slowly, steadily, built the foundation of my wealth. I thought investing was for people with thousands of dollars. It felt like a club I couldn't join. Then I discovered the core idea behind the $5 strategy. Let's break it down. The digital method is king. You set up an automatic, daily transfer of $5 from your checking account to your investment account. $5 a day is $150 a month. That's 2 fancy dinners. Assuming a 7% annual return, that daily $5 habit grows to over $250,000. Let me show you. This is my I don't even think about it account. I started 5 years ago. Look at all these tiny transactions. This is real money working for me 24/7. So how do you actually do this? Pick one. Option 1. Download Acorns, Stash, or your broker's app. Option 2. In your existing brokerage account, set an automatic investment into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. There is one huge mistake that will make this fail. You do not withdraw the money. Ever. This is your get-rich-slowly fund. Set it up and forget it. Your wealth won't be built by one giant leap. It will be built by hundreds of tiny, consistent steps. Open a new tab right now and set up just one automatic transfer, even if it's just $2 a day. Just start. Smash the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more wealth-building tips.